The forest is ablaze with autumn colors, leaves swirling in the wind like golden confetti. Amidst the vibrant chaos, Barnaby the beaver stands frozen on the riverbank, his face etched with concern. The weight of some unknown worry presses down on Barnaby as the leaves continue to fall around him. Barnaby surveys the surrounding forest, trying to discern the source of his anxiety. Crisp autumn air surrounds the beaver lodge as Barnaby arrives, the scent of falling leaves filling the air. Beavers scurry, a flurry of fur and frantic energy against the backdrop of vibrant autumn foliage. Barnaby surveys the scene, determination hardening his gaze as the wind whispers through the trees. "Winter is coming," Barnaby declares, his voice carrying urgency. "We need to start building the dam now." Autumn descends upon the riverbank as beavers diligently fell trees, their sharp teeth echoing. Powerful bodies strain as beavers drag branches twice their size. Nimble paws scoop mud, piling it high along the riverbank. Barnaby, with his bushy tail, surveys the scene, his eyes gleaming with purpose. With nods and gestures, Barnaby encourages the industrious beavers. Autumn leaves crunch under Skip and Pip's paws as they strain to drag a heavy branch through the forest. Their small bodies struggle with the weight, determination etched on their furry faces. Barnaby, a wise old beaver, approaches, his eyes twinkling with amusement and guidance. Barnaby watches the young beavers with a knowing smile. "Teamwork makes the dream work," Barnaby declares, his voice echoing through the colorful forest. Autumn sunlight dances on the river as beavers begin their tireless work, small paws moving with unwavering purpose. Branches and mud are carefully placed, each contribution solidifying the dam's steady ascent from the water. The icy river sends shivers through their fur, a stark reminder of the approaching winter. Despite the evident fatigue, their determination remains unbroken, a testament to their instinct. The rising dam stands as a symbol of their resilience against the flow of the river and the passage of seasons. Inside the beaver lodge, damp fur glistens under the moon's silvery glow. The beavers huddle together, exhausted from their day's labor. A shared sense of weariness settles over the lodge. Barnaby's voice rises with hope. "The dam will protect us from the winter floods." The lodge stands firm, a testament to their collective effort against the coming storms. On the riverbank, a massive fallen tree halts the river's flow, sunlight dappling through the vibrant autumn leaves. Small beavers swarm the obstacle, their tiny eyes gleaming as they assess the challenge. They strain against the immense trunk, their paws slipping on the rough bark, efforts in vain. One beaver gnaws furiously, teeth scraping against the thick bark, making little impact. Another beaver wedges branches, attempting leverage, yet the tree stubbornly remains. Frustrated glances pass between the beavers, their whiskers twitching with determination. Sunlight paints the forest floor in hues of gold as Barnaby's eyes gleam with inspiration. He gestures towards a towering tree, a beacon of autumn's vibrant palette. Barnaby leads his group of beavers to a vantage point. "We can use the force of the water to move the tree," Barnaby exclaims, his voice full of hope. Under the crisp autumn sun, beavers work with focused intensity, their tiny paws reshaping the river's course. The river swells, its relentless pressure mounting against the ancient roots of a towering tree. A deep groan echoes as the tree begins to yield, the earth around it trembling with the strain. With a final, resounding crack, the tree breaks free, its reign over the riverbank coming to an end. The fallen giant now floats, surrendering to the current, its branches reaching towards the sky. The river reclaims its path, the fallen tree becoming a part of its ever-changing story. Along the river, beavers diligently resume dam construction, autumn's touch painting the landscape in hues of gold and amber. The dam visibly takes shape, a testament to their tireless efforts against the relentless march of the season. Urgency permeates the air as the season advances, each fallen leaf a reminder of time slipping away. A noticeable chill bites at the air, a stark warning that winter's icy grip is fast approaching. The beavers labor on, their determination unwavering in the face of the looming cold. A fierce storm attacks the forest. Trees bend and sway violently as the wind howls. Rain lashes down, turning the forest floor into a muddy swamp. Stripped leaves swirl in chaotic eddies, a dance of destruction. Inside their lodge, the beavers huddle together. The narration whispers, their eyes wide with worry. The storm threatens everything they've worked to build, a looming disaster. Dawn breaks on the riverbank, revealing the storm's aftermath. Beavers emerge from their lodge, their movements purposeful. They hurry towards the riverbank, a silent mission driving them. The dam stands defiant, bearing scars of the tempest's fury. Damage is evident, yet the structure holds against the odds. A testament to resilience, nature's architecture prevails. Autumn leaves drift on the river as beavers work tirelessly, their movements urgent against the vibrant backdrop. They scramble over logs, their small paws finding purchase as they fortify the dam's weakening structure. The setting sun casts long shadows, a silent reminder of the approaching storm. Each beaver seems to sense the impending threat, their determination a stark contrast to the serene river. Autumn leaves swirl around the newly completed dam, a testament to nature's engineering. The beavers pause, their sleek fur glistening in the late autumn sun. A panoramic view reveals the strong and sturdy structure, a feat of natural architecture. Reflections shimmer on the water's surface, mirroring the beaver's pride. The dam stands as a symbol of perseverance and teamwork in the heart of the wilderness. Snow gently blankets the winter landscape, a serene hush falling over the world. The beaver lodge stands nestled in the snow, a beacon of warmth and safety. Inside, the cozy interior hums with quiet activity, a sanctuary against the cold. The sturdy dam stands as a testament to nature's engineering, defying the winter's harshness. The lodge stands firm against the frozen backdrop, a safe haven. Snow falls softly as Barnaby stands on the dam, a serene smile lighting up his face. The world is hushed, the landscape blanketed in white. Barnaby watches the delicate dance of snowflakes, a quiet triumph in his eyes. "We did it," Barnaby exclaims, his voice filled with relief and accomplishment. The camera slowly pulls back, revealing the dam's crucial role. The dam stands as a silent guardian, sheltering the thriving beaver habitat from the winter's harshness.